Imagine this. You are lost in a big city.
Everyone around you speaks English, but you feel frozen.
You need help, but you do not know what to say.
That was me in London 3 years ago. True story.
By the end of this episode, you will never feel frozen again.
You will know exactly how to ask for help in English every time.
Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor channel. Hello everyone. Welcome back to GFX English Learning Mentor.
I am Alex. I once stood on a street corner for 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Why?
Because I was too scared to ask for help.
And I am Emily. I always ask for help. No shame at all.
That is the right attitude. We will teach you that today.
If you are new here, welcome. You found a great place to learn.
Hit that subscribe button right now. Go on, we'll wait.
And give this video a thumbs up. It helps our channel so much.
Okay, let's jump in. This episode could change everything for you.
Okay, Alex, let's start at the very beginning.
The very beginning. I like that.
Before you ask for help, you need to get someone's attention.
Right, you cannot just walk up and start talking.
Well, you can, but it is not polite.
Polite means having good manners, being respectful.
The magic words are, excuse me.
Excuse me. 2 words, so powerful.
You say, excuse me, to stop someone nicely.
Like, excuse me, can you help me, please?
It works everywhere, on the street, in a shop, at school.
Even on a bus, even in a library.
Excuse me is your door opener. It starts the conversation.
And people respond well to it. They stop, they listen.
Because it shows respect. It shows you are polite.
Unlike me in London, I just stared at people.
You stared?
I was hoping someone would magically know I needed help.
That is not how it works, Alex.
I know that now.
Alex, tell us the full London story. Everyone wants to hear it.
Okay. So I was visiting London, first time ever.
Exciting.
Very exciting, but also very confusing. The underground map looked like spaghetti.
The London Underground is complicated.
I got off at the wrong station. I had no idea where I was.
Oh no, what did you do?
I stood there, looking at my phone, looking at people, back to my phone.
For 20 minutes?
23 minutes, I counted.
Why did you not just ask someone?
I was scared. What if I said the wrong thing? What if they laughed?
That is so relatable. So many learners feel this way.
Finally, a kind old lady walked up to me. She said, "Are you lost, dear?"
Oh, that is sweet.
I said, "Yes, please help me. I'm very lost."
And she helped you?
She walked me to the right street herself. Such a kind lady.
The lesson, people want to help. You just have to ask.
Do not wait 23 minutes like me. Just say, "Excuse me."
Okay, let's learn the key phrases. These are very useful.
Phrase number 1. Could you help me, please?
Could you help me, please? This is polite. This is clear.
Could is a magic word. It makes any request sound polite.
A request means asking for something, asking someone to do something.
Could you help me sounds much better than help me.
Help me sounds like an emergency.
Like you are drowning.
So always use could. It is gentle, it is respectful.
Phrase number 2. I need some help.
I need some help. Short, simple, direct.
Direct means straight to the point. No extra words.
This phrase works in any situation, anytime, anywhere.
Excuse me, I need some help. I am looking for the bus station.
Perfect sentence. Let's break it down.
Excuse me, get attention. I need some help. Explain the situation.
I am looking for the bus station. Say exactly what you need.
3 parts, 1 perfect request.
Another useful phrase, I don't understand.
Oh, this one is so important.
Sometimes people speak too fast or use difficult words.
And you feel lost. Your brain goes foggy.
Foggy means unclear, like fog in the morning. You cannot see well.
When that happens, say, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Or, could you say that again, please?
Again means one more time. Repeat it.
People will always repeat for you. No problem at all.
Nobody gets angry when you say, I don't understand.
In fact, they respect you for trying. Now let's look at specific situations, real-life moments.
Situation 1. You are lost. You need directions.
You say, excuse me, could you help me? I am looking for blank.
Fill the blank. I am looking for the hospital. I am looking for the hotel.
Or, could you tell me how to get to blank?
Directions means instructions to reach a place.
Situation 2. You are in a shop. You need something.
You say, excuse me, could you help me find blank?
Or, I am looking for blank. Do you have it?
Simple, polite, effective.
Effective means it works. It gets results.
Situation 3. You do not understand something someone said.
You say, I'm sorry, could you speak more slowly, please?
Slowly, not fast. Take your time. Nice and easy.
Most people will slow down immediately. They are happy to help.
And if they use a word you do not know, ask.
Say, I'm sorry, what does that word mean?
People love explaining words. Trust me.
It shows you are trying to learn. That is beautiful.
Okay, recap time. Let's review our keywords.
These are the important words from today. Ready?
Word 1. Polite.
Polite, having good manners, being respectful to others.
Word 2. Request.
Request, asking someone for something nicely.
Word 3. Direct.
Direct, straight to the point, clear and simple.
Word 4. Foggy.
Foggy, unclear, confused, hard to understand.
Word 5. Directions.
Directions, instructions on how to reach a place.
Word 6. Effective.
Effective, something that works well, gets good results.
6 words. You are doing amazing.
Now, role play time, my favorite part.
Mine too. Let's act it out.
Okay, the situation, Alex is a tourist. He is lost.
Again, just like London.
I am a local person walking on the street. Ready?
Ready. Here we go. Excuse me.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, please. I need some help. I'm looking for the train station.
Oh, the train station, of course. Are you new to the city?
Yes, it is my first time here. Everything looks the same to me.
Don't worry, it is easy. Go straight down this road.
I'm sorry. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Oh, of course. Sorry about that. Go straight down this road.
Straight down this road. Okay.
Then turn left at the big supermarket. You will see the station.
I'm sorry. Turn left. Which side is left?
This side, your left-hand side.
Oh, thank you so much. You are very kind.
No problem at all. Good luck. Enjoy the city.
Thank you. Have a great day.
And that's it. Did you see how easy that was?
Alex asked for help. Alex asked to slow down. Alex asked about directions.
And nobody laughed. Nobody was rude. The lady was happy to help, just like the lady in London.
People are kind, but you have to open your mouth first.
Open your mouth, say, excuse me. The rest is easy.
I have a quick story, too, about asking for help.
Tell us.
I was in a supermarket in France. My French is not good at all.
Uh-oh.
I needed to find olive oil, but I did not know the French word.
What did you do?
I found a shop worker. I said, excuse me, could you help me?
Good start.
Then I said, I am looking for the oil, the green oil, for cooking.
You described it, like paraphrasing.
Exactly. And the worker smiled and said, Huile d'olive?
Olive oil in French.
She walked me right to it. Problem solved.
See, you did not need the perfect words, just the courage to ask.
Courage means being brave, doing something even when you are scared.
Asking for help takes courage, especially in another language.
But it gets easier every time. We promise. Alex, give us your bonus tip for this week.
Okay, this is a really good one. Listen carefully.
We are listening.
Practice asking for help at home before you need it.
Ooh, explain that, Alex.
Make a list. Write 5 situations where you might need help.
Like getting lost or not understanding someone.
Then, write the English sentence for each situation.
Practice saying it out loud every day.
So when the real moment comes, the words are already in your mouth.
That is brilliant. Your brain already knows what to do.
It's like a fire drill. You practice before the fire happens.
Drill means practice for an emergency, preparing in advance.
When I finally asked for help in London, it was because I practiced.
You practiced before your trip?
Yes, but I waited 23 minutes anyway.
Old habits are hard to break, Alex.
Very hard, but I got there, and so will you.
Okay, everyone, let's wrap up today's episode.
Today we learned how to ask for help in English.
The magic opener, excuse me.
The polite request, could you help me, please?
When you're confused, I don't understand.
When they speak too fast, could you speak more slowly?
When you're lost, I'm looking for...
When you're lost, I'm looking for...
And the golden rule, just open your mouth. Say the words.
People are kind. People want to help. Give them the chance.
Do not be like me. Do not stand on a street corner for 23 minutes.
Learn from Alex's mistakes, everyone.
My mistakes are your lessons. You are welcome. Now, our comment question for today.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Write in the comments, tell us a time you needed help in English.
What happened? What did you say? Or were you too scared to ask?
No judgment here. We all have stories like Alex's.
Every single one of us.
If this episode helped you, please give it a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to GFX English Learning Mentor. New episodes every week.
Share this video with someone learning English right now.
They need this, trust me. We all do. Keep smiling and always learning fast.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye-bye, and remember, excuse me are the 2 most powerful words in English.
Goodbye. Keep being brave.